What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My sister is here with us today. She is being featured on my channel today, okay? But y'all can go check out our channel. Shameless promotion. We are currently in Norcross, Georgia right now. So we basically in Atlanta. Shout out to the Migos, Gwinnett County. What's good? But yeah. So we are here, we doing like some fabric sourcing today, and I wanted to take y'all along with me because y'all always ask me to go pick out fabric and stuff like that. And when I go pick out fabric, to take y'all with me. So that's what I am doing today. This is actually going to be my first time at this fabric store that we're going into. It is called Fine Fabrics. It is in Atlanta, so if you ever come to Atlanta and you're looking for a fabric store, it's called Fine Fabrics. It's actually raining, and it's in Norcross, Georgia. They have button zippers, fabric, thread. It's like for apparel and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I don't know if they're gonna let me vlog in here. I'm gonna take my camera in, so hopefully they let me vlog. And I'm gonna get a few clips and show y'all like the inside when we go in. You gotta put your gym shoes on. Yeah, you gotta put your gym shoes on.
Oh yeah.
Based off the
you gotta run off them.
Yeah. Ooh, my phone is dead, honey.
Yeah, I thought you was charging it.
I gotta take it. I'm gonna have to take a picture as soon as we come in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Or I can always take pictures and then send them to you. My phone charged.
Your phone ain't as good. Your phone camera ain't as good as mine now.
Okay, but don't do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a picture when we get in here. I can't believe I let my phone die.
Yeah, you had to charge it.
Anyways, so right now it's currently 2:34. They open up at I think 9, I believe, and they close at 7. So we got quite a bit of time to go inside and pick out some stuff. Is you gonna get stuff to make a swimsuit, or you ain't really?
I want to look. I mean, I don't know. You know, I don't know about this. So
yeah, you don't know. This gonna be new to my sister. She don't really know. Like,
I have no clue, but I would.
She don't know what she's going into right now. Like,
I'm just about to wing it.
Yeah, we trying to get it together. So yeah, they got a lot of good reviews on here. According to the reviews that I looked at, they said that they got a lot of selection, and their prices are really good, like really cheap, better than Walmart. So, and I don't even shop at Walmart for fabric for real, but yeah. So we gonna go in here. We just gonna go inside and we gonna see. We gonna see. Before we get started, make sure y'all click that subscribe button. Click on my bell next to the subscribe button, turn your post notifications so that way you don't miss an upload from me. And also make sure you give this video a like if you guys like videos like this, and check out my Instagram and my Snapchat so that way you guys can like get behind the scenes for when I do stuff like this and go places, because I always post behind the scenes photos and like stories and all that stuff of me, you know, doing stuff behind the scenes. Basically, we just gonna go and head into the store. Let go. Let go.
Y'all, I'm already freaking overwhelmed. What the hell? I'm shook. I'm like a kid in a candy store right now. How do you feel? How do you feel? Oh, I already see a fabric that I like. $5.99. Yo, a yard, bro. A yard, $5.99 a yard. That's it. Okay, wait a minute. First of all, I'm trying to compose myself because it's super cheap in here, and it's like rows and rows of fabric. So we about to look around for a minute, and then I'll come back and show y'all what I find. Oh, they got so much in here. Purple, y'all know I love purple. Okay. Alright, we about to look, and they got different. Oh, what is this? This is like $7.99. This is $7.99 a roll. It don't tell you what kind of fabric this is, though. Do it tell you what the... Alright, give me a second to prop. Alright, y'all, so I'm just still looking. They have a lot to choose from. I really let this go, but everything is so cheap. I did bring my sketchbook. They got fabric up at the top. It's a whole section that I haven't even hit yet, so let's see. This looks like a lot of prints. Ooh. Perfect for spring. Ooh. This is really cute. I like this purple too. How much is this? This is actually, oh, okay, I just got distracted that freaking fast. This is a really nice print, and this is only $4.99 a yard. God, I can't even keep up. This has like a really nice dog print on it. That's really cute. Ooh, okay. I'm starting to see a vision. I might have to take a picture of this. Y'all know snake skin print is in. I'm feeling these prints. Okay, so I haven't even hit the other side of the store yet. There's a whole another side. So I need to find my sister. So we're gonna see. I've already found like some pleated fabric that I want to get. So definitely gonna get that. I've been taking pictures of it, so yeah, I'm gonna just keep looking.
This.
So my sister has been finding different stuff she like. What, for swimsuits?
Swimsuits, yeah, this, that one.
Okay, so we figured out that. Ooh, that's cute too. Yeah, you like a real like color. Ooh, look at these. They got Pop Tarts in them. That's cute too. $5.99 a yard, y'all. Let's eat.
This.
What is it?
No, it was actually this. Well, I think it's the same.
It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same.
That's a cute, nice. This color right here is nice. This little blue
Yeah.
and green. That's really cute. And this, I could see you wearing. This looks like your birthday dress.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, that's sure do.
Now, what is this though? I don't think this is swimwear stuff though. This ain't.
This was jersey material.
No, jersey is not swimwear. You need like, it should say swimwear on it, cause this is all jersey. It's stuff back here too.
Yeah.
What the heck? Y'all, this place is huge. They got stuff back here.
Yeah, this is lace.
Okay.
Like, I don't even know where
I don't know where to start. Somebody said you would be in here all day. Like, you should, like, take time to find stuff, because
it's way more. Wait till you get back here. It's way more
Where?
stuff over here.
they got, like, a whole little... Look, it's a whole another... Oh, okay, that's for, like, furniture and stuff, which I don't need. This is all apparel stuff. This is cute. This kind of remind me of the LA fashion district though. Like, this is how they be. They be having rows and rows of fabric to choose from. I'm gonna eventually start picking out fabric. I've been taking pictures so I can come back and tell them what I want them to cut. And like, so they do have the names on the end of the aisles so y'all can see. Yeah, they got everything on the aisles. The names of all the fabric. Velvet. Silk and sequins. Ooh, this is more for like prom season. The cost goes up a little bit more. Definitely for like prom season and stuff though. A bunch of different fabrics. It's really quiet in here. It's not really that many people in here. I read reviews. They said it's better to come on the weekdays because it can get pretty packed during the week. I mean, it can get packed during the weekend. This is pretty. Like this. Alright, so this is an update, you guys. We're still looking. I've already got like picked out fabric for 2 of the outfits that I got some inspired by. Now I'm just looking for some like white. I think I'm gonna do this outfit in linen or I don't know, cotton. Or like some type of, oh, this is nice. I just came across this peach. This is nice. How much is this? That would be nice. They got a lot of good little prints. But I'm looking for an all white, and I'm thinking about doing linen for the spring or summer. So I'm looking for that for this outfit that I want to do. That's gonna have fringe at the end. Ooh, this is really soft. Tiff, I like this blue. Look. This would be cute for that outfit. It's blue. She getting tired, y'all. Are you tired?
My allergies bother me, that's why.
Or what about this white? Oh yeah, this white for the fringe. Well, should you put fringe on the edge of this? Could
Yeah,
you?
I like that.
You like
because,
this?
Yeah.
For
This is
this,
fun,
but you
yeah.
think for this outfit?
I-
Should it be
this
tight
for
or
the-
more like a linen?
For this one?
Oh, you think for
That one
that?
should be...
What about, I feel like this one is a little bit more dressy or casual, kind of.
Yeah, I like...
That's a nice fabric, though. This is a cute fabric for like a jumpsuit.
Oh, yeah, that would be cute.
That kind of remind me of like Fashion Nova. Like,
Yeah.
that'd be cute for a jumpsuit. I really like this blue, though. I don't know what I would use this cobalt blue for. But that's a really cute blue. I'm exhausted, y'all. Yeah. Or this could be for the fringe. Oh yeah, that's cute. I like that.
Yeah, you see, that got a little gold.
Yeah,
in
it got a little gold in it, because you know my whole little thing is like gold. So, okay, so we're gonna go with this one. I think I like this. I didn't even see that. Oh, I don't find another one. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this one instead. Alright, you guys, so I'm over here in the silks. I feel like this is more of my aesthetic. I'm really into like browns, taupes, golds, chiffon, silk, burgundy prints. I really love burnt orange. More of like royalty style. Ooh. I noticed when you get over here, the prices go up a little bit more because it's silk. So yeah. Definitely like the more high quality fabrics though. This is a really nice color, this green. I like this color too. It's like a peachy. They got embellishments, buttons. Successful trip. Tiff got her fabrics. So what did you think?
I think I'm great.
She ended up picking up out of fabric that another girl ended up she said, "You think I'm great at picking fabric?" I'm dead. She did help me pick a lot of the fabrics, y'all, that you did help me pick a lot of. She was like good at like giving me like the go on if that was like the good fabric for certain stuff. But yeah, you found that last fabric. I was like, I'm Tiff lit over here. Like, I'm like, okay, girl, you might have an eye for fashion, okay? You might be a little mini designer, okay? You might need to find a job in that. But where we about to go now?
To food.
So we about to go get food. Y'all definitely gotta come to this place. What did you think of like the people that was in there? Like,
They're really nice. They were helpful.
yeah, they was really nice. It was helpful. I ended up spending like $119, I think. How much did you spend?
I didn't spend not even $30 because I only got 2 fabrics.
She only got 2 fabrics. Yeah, she not doing as much as I'm doing.
Yeah, I'm doing somewhere. So
yeah, but I ended up getting a lot, and I'm definitely gonna bring samples of the fabric back if I decide to like use those certain fabrics. But I'm gonna do a haul. We'll do a haul of the fabrics that we got when we get back to the house. But yeah, for now we about to go get food, get back on this road. Hopefully I got enough clips of. I was vlogging a lot in there. Yeah, I was vlogging in there a lot. We've been in there for a good, and now my battery going dead. We've been in there since, what time did we get there at? What time did we get here at? We got here at like, I can see on my phone. Okay, so we got here at 3. Yeah, we got here at 3 and it's 5:30 now. So we've been in there for 3, 4, 5. Oh, we did pretty good. We only been in there for 2 hours. It felt like longer than that though.
yeah, it felt like
Alright, so we're about to go get food and then yeah. Thank you, Fine Fabrics. Y'all were lit.